Hi guys, welcome to this week's edition of Coccia's Saturday Kitchen, otherwise known as La Cucina Casa Coccia. You'll find out in a second why. Today, what are we making, Fee?
Malt loaf.
And we're going to do a slight variation. We're going to do a honey loaf as well. Two! We're going to do two! But first, Fee, we need to get dressed, don't we?
Yes.
So, awesome.
Cucina Casa Coccia.
Yeah, thank you very much, Paul and Magri, for the wonderful new apron. Okay, what do we need, Fee?
Ingredients.
So the ingredients we've got, and we've doubled them up, are...
1 egg.
Well, we've got 2 eggs here, but 1 egg for each ingredient. 140ml of semi-skim milk.
220 grams of self-raising flour.
Half a teaspoon of allspice or mixed spice.
60 grams of black treacle.
90 grams of golden syrup.
60 grams of malt extract or honey, so we're going to use both.
170 grams of sultanas or raisins. Now you can put caster sugar in if you feel like it's not sweet enough. But with all this stuff here, we're going to leave that out today. We think it's sweet enough. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is get a bowl and a whisk. We're going to put half the, we're going to put our milk mixture in the bowl and the egg mixture in the bowl and beat them all together. Ready? Go.
We need to preheat the oven to 180 degrees.
Okay, then we need to line 2 baking tins because we're making 2 loaves with parchment paper and grease, like so. Next we need a couple of mixing bowls and a sieve. We're going to mix it all together into the bowl. Awesome. Okay, then we use the sieve. We're going to sift through the flour, like that. Half a teaspoon of allspice. Now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. So the black treacle, really thick and gooey. Little tip here, you are going to get quite a lot of your ingredients, treacle, honey, malt extract, stuck on your spoons, stuck on your little ramekins.
Don't lick it.
Don't lick it, but overcompensate. When we've got a certain amount, put a little bit more in to account for you not getting that into your bowl. Next in is the golden syrup. Let's get that in now. Next up is the malt or the honey, depending on which one you do. Fee, chucks that. So you've got the honey, I've got the malt. Okay, then we add the milk to the mixture, start mixing it up. What are you doing? Okay, we've got that ready. Let's make a bit of room, clear this mess up, and we go on to the next stage. Cool. Right, so make a bit of space. What we do now is take our raisins or sultanas, get a spoon of flour over the top, mix it in. So when we pour it in our mixture, it won't all sink to the bottom. Coat them in flour. We're just coating all the sultanas, all the raisins with that flour. Okay, finish with the flour, get rid of that. Now we're going to take a couple of spoons and we're going to fold this into our mixture. It's level. Okay, they're ready to go in the oven. Okay, bake in the oven, bottom shelf, 180 degrees for 45 minutes.
Right, it's been about 45 minutes now. We're going to turn the heat down to 150 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, and we're going to poke it with a skewer every couple of minutes to check that it's done.
Okay, so they've been in now for 45 minutes at 180 and another 20-25 minutes at 150. So as you can see, they've risen quite nicely. I'm just going to test it with a skewer, stick it in, bring it out. It's nice and clean, meaning the insides are not all sticky and horrible. So I'm just going to lay them up on the side to cool now. Are you ready?
Are you ready? Hey. This. It's not making scrambled eggs.
With parchment paper and grease. Like that. Right, next. Put it down, put it down.
Is that bad? Does treacle taste that
Which one
bad?
you do? You stop eating the ingredients. Mix that in, right? What does it say? Sift. Add to mix thoroughly, ensuring everything's well combined. Right.
Can you spit it?
Hey you, what do I pay you for? Clean the kitchen, put the things in the washer, make the kitchen clean, all this now. Quick, hurry up.
Ready?
Yeah.
For about 20 to 25 minutes, poke with a skewer. Right, go on in. Auto cue.
In about 45